they just keep squeaking.
Yeah.
What do you think of the ocean?
Good girl. Come here. Shiloh, come. Shiloh, come. Shiloh. She's Louise's. Hi, hi, hi. You are such a good boy. My dog is not being a good boy.
Good man. Good job. Good job. Good job, Tuck. What do you think of this place? You love it here. You love it. You love it. Oh, you love it. Yes, good man. Thank you for checking in. Good job. Oh, sorry. He won't hurt you. Tucker, he doesn't have food. He thinks you have food. Here. There you go. Good boy. Oh, this one wants my food. It's okay. Yeah, I have it because I'm rewarding him every time he checks in with me.
Yeah, he doesn't need that many exercises.
It's just a little bit.
Let's go, Mom. Let's go.
What a good puppy.
Oh, are you so good for checking in? All that hard work has paid off. You are so good. Come on. You can go play. You can go play. You can play, dog. You can go free. Go free. Be free. Be free, dog. Oh, good boy.